my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Today we're going to get into how to fix the charging port, also known as the power jack, in your laptop. If you find this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and one of our certified technicians will get back to you. All right, moving right along. Okay, so my laptop is unplugged. I've removed all the screws from the bottom panel, and now I'm going to insert my pry tool very carefully. I'm going to insert it here to pry the panel off. I haven't included how to take off all the screws because this varies from model to model. You can also look up a disassembly video for your model computer if you aren't sure, or you feel like you're missing some of the screws. That works. Also, a lot of manufacturers have that information in a service manual online. Okay, so now that I have it open, my battery is unplugged. And this is what the power jack looks like right here. Sometimes they are integrated into the motherboard, so keep that in mind. But we're specifically showing you how to do this on one that is not. So I'm going to remove this screw that's holding it down right here. And then I'm going to take these two tabs and I'm going to pull it away from the port. And I'm going to pull it by the tabs, not the cables. I know those cables look very tempting to pull on, but don't do it. You'll regret it. Like that. Sometimes it takes a lot more, finesse, but that just came out nice and easy. And now I'm going to gently pull it out. And there it is, just like that. A lot of times there is a part number on this if you need that, so you can always look for that. Now I would take my new power jack right now, and then I would reverse the process, right? So I would go ahead, set it here, and I'm careful trying not to touch a bunch of the motherboard because the oils from your hands can get on the motherboard and it's not good for it. All right, so I have it back in place. I'm going to go ahead and I am going to take this screw and I'm going to screw it back in so that it's nice in place here. The screwdriver I'm using in the pry tool are in the description if you want them for reference, but that's how you do it. So from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.